case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The Supreme Court case of Thomas v. Chicago Park District questioned whether a municipal park's permit protocol for large-scale events overly infringed upon individuals' First Amendment rights. This case, which transpired in 2002, originated out of a dispute concerning a group advocating for cannabis legalization and their disagreements with the City of Chicago's Park District permit requirements. The advocacy group argued that the Chicago Park District's requirement for permits for any event involving over 50 people or the use of amplified sound violated their right to free speech. The contentious ordinance was created with the aim of ensuring a coordinated use of limited public space, protecting park property, discouraging unlawful activities, and maintaining accountability for any potential damage caused during such events. The group's contention led the Supreme Court to consider the constitutionality of this ordinance, as well as its potential impact on freedom of speech and press. A critical aspect of the arguments heard revolved around the precedent set by Friedman v. Maryland, a case which established procedural safeguards on state-level control of film content. Significantly, Justice Scalia probed whether the Park District's ordinance necessitated these guarantees as stipulated in the Friedman case. The Park District maintained the position that implementing their guidelines was well within their rights, enabling comprehensive regulation of parks and other public facilities in Chicago. Ultimately, the ruling of the Supreme Court upheld the constitutionality of the Park District's ordinance. The court's judgment affirmed the permit policy as a neutral regulation that served to guide public use of the facilities while leaving room for judicial review. The court indicated that rather than restricting free speech, this permit arrangement distinctly served to further it. Moreover, the Supreme Court assured parties that signs of potential unlawful favoritism would be addressed if found within the application of the ordinance, essentially ensuring that no bias could exist under the law. This decision led to the affirmation of a prior ruling by the Court of Appeals that declared the municipal park ordinance as constitutionally sound.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.